गीत गाएगा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाएगा, कदम कदम बढ़ाएगा, खुशी के गीत गाएगा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाएगा।
The Indian Military Academy came into being in the year 1932 and ever since has grown from strength to strength. The first batch that passed out 2 years later had a total of 40 gentlemen cadets. Since then, over 43,000 GCs have passed out from this academy.
खुशी के गीत गाएगा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाएगा, कदम कदम बढ़ाएगा, खुशी के गीत गाएगा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाएगा।
The ability to withstand protracted stress and strain is the bedrock of any mental and moral military training. Physical fitness is the common denominator in discipline, bravery and ferocity, all inseparable qualities that are the hallmark of any fighting man. Given the diversity of terrain and the circumstances within which the Indian Army operates, the training at the academy covers a wide spectrum. Lectures by young officers with plenty of live experience, be it in the jungles of Mizoram or the icy heights of Siachen, helps the gentleman cadet imbibe from their platoon, company and battalion commanders at various levels.
Okay, now it's whose turn? Your turn, isn't it? So, put it. Here it is at the receiving end, not you. Dawao sir. Okay, throw that stick piche wala. Catch its head. पकड़ो उसको. नहीं नीचे से यहाँ साइड से पकड़ो. हाँ. पकड़ लिया. Okay, now lift it up. Show the trophy. Okay. Leave it. Next guy.
The gentleman cadet is also presented a perspective on the terror tactics, which are today a worldwide military threat. An evaluation of simple methodologies adopted by hostile parties includes non-conventional employment of improvised explosive devices.
You will be told by many that you must be like your men. And indeed, you must be better than them in whatever work they're doing. You must try and be tougher than them. You must know your weapon systems or your other systems better than them. But please, don't be like them. The men don't want you to be like them.
Modern day technology has brought many changes into the lives of the GCs, but the basic objectives of the IMA continue to be time-honored. Apart from teaching the GC how to think and communicate as a future commander and to foster an attitude of integrity, selflessness and loyalty, the Academy must train him in basic skills of battlefield discipline and soldiering.
हिम्मत तेरी बढ़ती रहे, खुदा तेरी सुनता रहे, जो सामने तेरे पड़े तू खाक में मिलाए जा, जो सामने तेरे पड़े तू खाक में मिलाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा, कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा।
सेंचुरी बंद करने से पहले बैक क्लास की एरिया का मुलायजा करें। नंबर 2 फायर 2 फायर 2 फायर 3 फायर नंबर 4 आरएल फायर।
The face of modern war necessitates that tomorrow's warrior fosters a deep interest and care for the individual, for he may well have to flush the enemy from behind the ranks of his own people.
खड़ा हो 12
As the GC's stint at the Academy draws to a close, excitement builds up with individuals opting for various arms. Bihar, Rajputs, Dogras, Sikhs, armor, artillery, Gurkhas. The corridors are abuzz with each gentleman cadet's name now associated with a regiment. I am a warrior. Fighting is my dharma. I will train my mind, body and spirit to fight. I will excel in all devices and weapons of war, present and future. I will always protect the weak. I will be truthful to bluntness. I will be humane, cultured and compassionate. I will fight and embrace the consequences. God, give me strength that I ask nothing of you.